Okay, in literature, there are a variety of character types that are repeated. Most of the times, there are one or more characters whose actions can be described as blank. Usually, these characters are villains in the story. So the most important thing is that these characters have actions which can be described this way, and these characters are villains. So these actions are inherently going to be bad. Okay, now let's see. So which choice completes the text? Well, let's eliminate the easy ones. So what does admirable mean? Well, admirable means something that is worthy of respect or admiration, and that does not apply to villains, that applies to heroes. Because someone is villainous, they are not someone you would look up to or deem worthy of respect. Next, empathetic is also easy to eliminate. This is a positive attribute. It means that you're able to understand or share another person's feelings. So the usual depiction of a villain is someone that does not care for other people's feelings, so generally this would be the wrong answer. Next is judgmental, which means being overly critical of others. And whilst a villain could be judgmental, that is too weak and it's too specific. We're trying to look for a word that best describes villainous actions generally. Thus, we would have to go with nefarious. So what does nefarious mean? Nefarious inherently means wicked, evil, or criminal. So that directly matches what a villain is. So where does the word nefarious come from? Well, the Latin root is nefas. And what does this mean? This means, most directly, contrary to divine law. So it basically means against God's will. And ne, this root, it means not. Fas, it means right, but more specifically right in the context of permitted by God. So nefarious literally means something that is not right, not permitted by God.